Digital anthropology is a relatively new field that explores the intersection of technology and human culture. It seeks to understand how digital technologies shape and are shaped by cultural practices, beliefs, and behaviors. In essence, digital anthropology examines the impact of the digital age on society and individuals. One interesting aspect of digital anthropology is its focus on the ways in which technology influences not only what we do, but also how we think and interact with one another. By studying digital artifacts, online communities, and virtual environments, digital anthropologists can gain insights into the complexities of modern human culture. Digital anthropology also delves into the implications of digital technologies on identity, privacy, and social relationships. For example, the rise of social media platforms has transformed the way we present ourselves to the world and connect with others, blurring the lines between the physical and digital realms. Another fascinating aspect of digital anthropology is its interdisciplinary nature, drawing on insights from anthropology, sociology, psychology, and technology studies. This multidisciplinary approach allows researchers to explore the multifaceted relationships between humans and technology in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Overall, digital anthropology provides a unique lens through which to examine the profound ways in which technology is reshaping human culture in the 21st century. Digital anthropology has its roots in the field of anthropology, which traditionally focused on studying human societies and cultures. The emergence of digital anthropology can be traced back to the late 20th century, when the rapid advancement of digital technologies began to significantly impact human interactions and behaviors. One of the key milestones in the development of digital anthropology was the rise of the Internet in the 1990s, which revolutionized communication and information exchange on a global scale. Anthropologists started to recognize the need to study how these digital technologies were shaping cultural practices and identities. The early 2000s saw the formalization of digital anthropology as a distinct subfield within anthropology, with scholars like Daniel Miller and Heather Horst pioneering research in this area. They conducted ethnographic studies of online communities, virtual worlds, and digital media platforms to understand how people were using technology to create new forms of social interaction and cultural expression. One of the defining characteristics of digital anthropology is its emphasis on the interconnectedness of the digital and physical worlds. Digital technologies are not seen as separate from culture, but rather as integral components that shape and are shaped by human societies. As digital technologies continued to evolve, so did the field of digital anthropology. Researchers began to explore the impact of social media, mobile devices, and artificial intelligence on human behavior and cultural norms. The concept of the digital divide also became a central focus, highlighting the disparities in access to and use of digital technologies among different populations. Today, digital anthropology remains a dynamic and evolving field, constantly adapting to the ever-changing technological landscape. Scholars are exploring new research methods, such as digital ethnography and data mining, to uncover insights into how technology influences human culture. By studying the historical development of digital anthropology, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complex relationship between technology and society. The impact of technology on human culture is profound and far-reaching, shaping the way we live, communicate, and interact with one another. One of the most significant impacts of technology on culture is the way it has transformed the way we communicate. The rise of digital communication tools such as social media, messaging apps, and video conferencing platforms has revolutionized the way we connect with others, breaking down geographical barriers and enabling instant communication across the globe. This shift towards digital communication has not only changed the way we interact with one another, but has also influenced the way we express ourselves and form relationships. For example, emojis and GIFs have become integral parts of online communication, adding layers of meaning and emotion to text-based conversations. Another interesting impact of technology on culture is the way it has reshaped the entertainment industry. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify have disrupted traditional media consumption patterns, allowing users to access a vast array of content anytime, anywhere. This shift towards on-demand entertainment has not only changed the way we consume media, but has also influenced the types of content being produced, with a growing emphasis on personalized and niche offerings. Technology has also had a profound impact on cultural preservation and heritage. Digital technologies have provided new tools for documenting and preserving cultural practices, languages, and traditions that may be at risk of being lost. For example, initiatives like Google's Cultural Institute and UNESCO's Memory of the World program aim to digitize and preserve cultural artifacts and heritage sites for future generations. Additionally, virtual reality technologies have enabled users to experience and interact with cultural heritage sites and artifacts in immersive ways, opening up new possibilities for education and preservation. The impact of technology on human culture is not without its challenges and concerns. One of the key issues is the digital divide, which refers to the gap between those who have access to digital technologies and those who do not. This divide can exacerbate existing inequalities and limit opportunities for socioeconomic advancement. Additionally, the rapid pace of technological change can lead to cultural homogenization, as globalized media and communication platforms shape cultural norms and values. There are also concerns about the impact of technology on social relationships and mental health, with studies suggesting that excessive screen time and social media use can contribute to feelings of isolation and anxiety. Despite these challenges, technology also presents opportunities for cultural innovation and creativity. From digital art and music production to online storytelling and gaming communities, technology has enabled new forms of cultural expression and collaboration. By embracing the potential of technology while being mindful of its impact, we can harness its power to enrich and preserve human culture in the digital age. Technology has had a profound influence on cultural practices across the globe, shaping the way we engage with traditions, art forms, and social norms. One fascinating case study of technology influencing cultural practices is the impact of social media on indigenous communities. In many indigenous cultures, storytelling plays a central role in preserving history and passing down knowledge from generation to generation. With the advent of social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, indigenous communities have found new ways to share their stories and connect with a global audience. For example, the Maasai people of Kenya have used social media to raise awareness about their cultural heritage and advocate for land rights. By sharing photos, videos, and personal narratives online, the Maasai have been able to engage with a wider audience and challenge stereotypes about their way of life. Another compelling case study is the influence of technology on traditional art forms. In Japan, the centuries-old art of ukiyo-e woodblock printing has experienced a revival thanks to digital technologies. Artists are now using digital tools to create intricate designs, collaborate with other artists, and reach new audiences through online galleries and e-commerce platforms. This fusion of traditional craftsmanship with modern technology has breathed new life into a cultural practice that was once at risk of fading into obscurity. Technology has also transformed the way we celebrate cultural festivals and events. In India, the annual Diwali festival, known as the Festival of Lights, has embraced digital innovations to engage with a global audience. From virtual reality fireworks displays to live streaming of traditional performances, technology has allowed people around the world to participate in the festivities and learn more about the significance of the holiday. These case studies demonstrate the power of technology to both preserve and evolve cultural practices, highlighting the dynamic relationship between tradition and innovation in the digital age. Ethical considerations play a crucial role in the field of digital anthropology as researchers navigate complex issues related to privacy, consent, and cultural sensitivity. One key ethical consideration is the need to obtain informed consent from participants when conducting research in digital spaces. In online communities and social media platforms, individuals may not always be aware that their interactions are being observed or studied. Researchers must ensure that participants understand the purpose of the study, how their data will be used, and their rights to privacy and anonymity. Another important ethical consideration is the potential for harm that may arise from digital research. Studying sensitive topics or marginalized communities online can expose individuals to risks such as cyberbullying, harassment, or data breaches. Researchers must take precautions to minimize these risks and prioritize the well-being of their participants. Cultural sensitivity is also a key ethical consideration in digital anthropology, as researchers engage with diverse communities and belief systems. It is essential to approach digital research with respect for cultural differences, avoiding stereotypes or misrepresentations that could harm the communities being studied. By upholding ethical standards and principles, digital anthropologists can ensure that their research contributes positively to our understanding of technology and human culture. The field of digital anthropology is constantly evolving, driven by technological advancements and changing societal dynamics. One future trend in digital anthropology is the increasing focus on virtual and augmented reality technologies. These immersive technologies have the potential to transform the way we experience and study culture, allowing researchers to create virtual environments that simulate real-world interactions. Virtual reality fieldwork, for example, could enable anthropologists to explore remote or inaccessible locations, providing new insights into cultural practices and traditions. Augmented reality applications could also enhance cultural heritage preservation efforts by overlaying digital information onto physical artifacts and sites. Another emerging trend in digital anthropology is the use of big data and machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of digital information. By leveraging data mining techniques, researchers can uncover patterns and trends in online behavior, social networks, and cultural expressions. This data-driven approach offers new opportunities for understanding the complexities of human culture in the digital age. Additionally, the rise of artificial intelligence and automation presents both challenges and opportunities for digital anthropology. AI technologies have the potential to revolutionize data collection, analysis, and interpretation, enabling researchers to process large data sets more efficiently and uncover hidden insights. However, the ethical implications of AI in digital anthropology, such as bias in algorithms and data privacy concerns, must be carefully considered. As digital technologies continue to advance, interdisciplinary collaborations will become increasingly important in digital anthropology. Collaborations with experts in fields such as computer science, data science, and design can enrich research methodologies and foster innovative approaches to studying technology and culture. By embracing these future trends and staying attuned to the rapid pace of technological change, digital anthropologists can continue to make meaningful contributions to our understanding of the complex relationship between humans and technology. The relationship between technology and culture is a dynamic and multifaceted one, characterized by both challenges and opportunities. Technology has fundamentally transformed the way we live, communicate, and express ourselves, shaping cultural practices and identities in profound ways. From the impact of social media on indigenous storytelling to the revival of traditional art forms through digital tools, technology has enabled new forms of cultural expression and connection. However, this relationship is not without its complexities. Issues such as the digital divide, cultural homogenization, and ethical considerations in digital research highlight the need for careful navigation of the intersection between technology and culture. Despite these challenges, technology also presents exciting possibilities for cultural innovation and preservation. Virtual reality technologies offer immersive experiences that can bring cultural heritage to life, while big data and AI provide new insights into the complexities of human culture in the digital age. By embracing interdisciplinary collaborations and staying attuned to emerging trends, digital anthropologists can continue to deepen our understanding of how technology influences and is influenced by culture. Ultimately, the relationship between technology and culture is a symbiotic one, with each shaping and informing the other in a constantly evolving dance of innovation and adaptation. During the Q&A session, you will have the opportunity to delve deeper into the fascinating world of digital anthropology and its impact on human culture. Feel free to ask about the ethical considerations in digital research, the future trends shaping the field, or specific case studies of technology influencing cultural practices. Did you know that virtual reality technologies are revolutionizing how we experience cultural heritage? Or that big data and machine learning algorithms are unlocking new insights into online behavior and social networks? The intersection of technology and culture is a rich and complex landscape, and your questions can help us explore it further. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts, insights, and curiosities during this interactive session.